Hi, my name is Nirmala, and I want to share with you my experience about the workshop called The Power of Manifestation. So this workshop is very dear to my heart because I have been very interested in the topic of manifestation and abundance for many, many years. However, I never really found a course that I could really believe that the techniques that were being shared or the ideas or concepts would really work. And this workshop with Muktananda was really helping me to connect the dots. And not only were the teachings, the theory and everything that Mukta was presenting to us really excellent, beautiful teachings. It's just enjoyable to be in his presence and receive these teachings anyway. Also the practices really work. And I have to say that this workshop transformed me and the way that I see myself in the world as a spiritual person who values abundance. And it helped to heal so many limiting beliefs that I had around money, especially being on a spiritual path and thinking things like, oh, it's not good to have too much money, having a lot of guilt and shame around wanting to have abundance. So all of this was really healed and transformed, and I'm so grateful that I joined this workshop. So if you want to know how to use spiritual principles and yogic practices to achieve whatever it is that you want in this life, whatever goal that you have, no matter how small or how big, then I really recommend that you join this beautiful, amazing workshop.